There's a trend going on with these SaaS animations. You see it everywhere. Minimalist animation with only text and UI elements, especially with lots of gradient colors. I'm gonna show you a couple of techniques that are used in this animation. Starting by doing this background with gradient colors. Start by creating a solid layer for the background. And now for the gradient we will be using ellipses. So select the ellipse tool and now create a really big circle. To add that sudden movement of the gradient, we have to add a wiggle expression to the position of this ellipse. Go to the position, I'll click, type wiggle, and for the frequency I recommend you to use 0.5 and for the amount something like 100. And there we have it, now it's moving. It's time to make a bunch of copies of this ellipse. Duplicate it a lot of time with Ctrl D, something like 6-7 copies. And now let's change the color of each ellipse by a little bit. Move them apart from each other, and now resize each ellipse to be bigger or smaller. Now we'll have something like this, so let's pre-comp all together with Ctrl-Shift-C. And now to distort them to have a more blobby style, let's add the effect Turbulent Displays. Let's increase the amount to 150 and the size to 200. Now let's alt-click the evolution stopwatch and let's add the expression time asterisk 40. We'll have this, and now the magic touch is to add a Gaussian blur effect. So add a blur and increase it to something like 250. And now to add some depth to the background, let's add the effect CC Vignettes. And with this we can make it darker at the borders, or go to the other direction and make it brighter. For this one I'm gonna make it brighter, and that's how you make the gradient background. And now to make this really smooth text animation, let's create a text layer, open the layer, go to animate, and we will animate the opacity, the position and the blur. So select them all, starting with the opacity, go here to add, go to property, and now select the position. And for the last the same thing but for the blur. And now we want the text to start coming from the side, so move it with some blur, so increase it to 75 and with a opacity of 0. And now that we have the properties done, let's go to the range selector to advance, and to make this animation to be smooth, let's change the shape from square to ramp up. And now to animate it, let's animate it from the offset. So make a keyframe, start from -100%, go forward and increase it to 100%. It is those keyframes, and now we have an animation like this, but it's a little clunky, so let's go back to advance and let's increase the easy low to 100%. And now it will be smoother at the end, as you can see now. And that's basically it. For more tips like this, join to my motion designers community in my bio.